Introducing MOCAFE Dubai Chocolate Pistachio Frappe. MOCAFE's Dubai-style chocolate pistachio mix is a sweet and creamy blend of roasted pistachio, rich decadent chocolate chips, and velvety frappe base, crafted for those who crave bold flavor and elegance in every sip. Making a Dubai chocolate beverage could take up to 8 minutes. Here's how to make one in seconds. Rim the glass with chocolate sauce and dip it into toasted shredded kataifi. For a 16-ounce serving, in a blender, add 12 ounces of ice, 2 scoops or 8 tablespoons of MOCAFE Dubai chocolate mix, and 6 ounces of milk. Consider adding baked shredded kataifi prior to mixing, and blend until smooth. To complete the wow factor for this drink, top with whipped cream and garnish with pistachio pieces. Add some more roasted kataifi, and for that special touch, top with edible gold garnish. This is how Dubai does chocolate. For the ultimate indulgent hot cocoa, stir 1 scoop or 4 tablespoons of MOCAFE Dubai chocolate mix into 10 ounces of hot milk. Add a dollop of whipped cream and garnish with pistachio pieces. Top with edible gold garnish. For a truly distinctive beverage, try this ultra-fabulous Dubai chocolate layered matcha. Start by rimming the glass with chocolate sauce and kataifi. Then add ice to a glass. In a separate container, add 1 scoop or 4 tablespoons of MOCAFE matcha mix to 3 ounces of hot milk and mix well. Consider adding baked shredded kataifi prior to mixing. Once mixed, add 4 more ounces of cold milk and mix again. Pour into glass. Add some kataifi on top of the matcha layer. Then in a separate container, add 1 scoop of Dubai chocolate to 3 ounces of hot milk and mix well. Then add 4 ounces of cold milk and mix again. Slowly pour this mixture on top of the matcha layer. Then top with whipped cream. Garnished with a dash of matcha green tea mix, pistachio pieces, and kataifi. Drizzle chocolate sauce on top, and for that magical touch, add edible gold garnish. Ready to transport your senses to the heart of Dubai? Get your martini glass ready, rim it with chocolate sauce, and dip it into gold rimming sugar. Drizzle some chocolate sauce inside the glass. In a cocktail shaker, add 1 scoop of MOCAFE Dubai chocolate mix and 1 ounce of milk. Shake well until smooth and silky. Add vodka, chocolate liqueur, espresso, and a pinch of cardamom to a shaker and shake away. Then pour the magic into the martini glass. Garnish with a small dollop of whipped cream, roasted kataifi, some pistachio pieces, and chocolate curls. Finish it off with edible gold garnish for a magnificent Dubai Chocolate Espresso Martini. MOCAFE Dubai-style chocolate mix. 1 sip and you're there.